Haya, let's look at the parts of espresso machine. Number one, we have cup warmer, right? Cup warmer. Cup warmer. That is up here, where we place the cups. It's called cup warmer. As a barista, you are not supposed to serve coffee in a cold cup. You have to serve coffee in a warm cup. Normally, the temperature of a cappuccino, you never boil milk as a barista, so the temperature is normally 68. The temperature of a cappuccino is normally at 68 at the highest. So imagine serving a cappuccino in a cold cup. That 68 temperature will go down by the time it reaches the guest, okay? So this place is called the cup warmer. Then this one is called the steam one. Number two, steam one. Steam one. This one is called the steam one. It has got two functions. One, we use it to steam the milk. And two, to froth the milk. So there's steaming and there's frothing. The next part of the espresso machine is this one here. This one is called the group head. We are in a group, yeah? You can call it one group head. Another name for it is group delivery. Group delivery. Group delivery. And another name is brew head. B-R-E-W head. Brew head. Brew head. So it has got three names: group delivery, group head, or brew head. So this is where the brewing of coffee takes place. So you can call it brew head. We don't say I'm cooking coffee. Say I'm brewing coffee. Then there's this one here. This one. You can call it hot water tap. Hot water tap. Some people call it hot water sprout. Hot water tap. Okay? Then there's this thing right here. This is another part. This one is called steam and pressure gauge. Steam and pressure gauge. Steam and pressure gauge. Steam and pressure gauge. Now, this machine has got a lot of pressure, and the pressure is normally at 9 bars. 9 bars, andika, in bracket 9 bars. The pressure of this machine, the espresso machine, is 9, normally at 9 bars. Then we have the main switch as another part of the espresso machine, the main switch. Some people call it on and off switch, the main switch. Some call it on and off switch. So we have the main switch right there. Then there is a light somewhere here. Can you see this light? We call it pilot light. We call it pilot light, this one. We call it pilot light. Another part of the espresso machine is this one. This one is called the drip tray. Drip tray. Drip, D-R-I-P, drip tray. So I normally call it drip because spent water always drip from the hole towards the drainage. Drip tray. Then other parts includes the portafilter. And we normally have two types of portafilters. We have single portafilter and a double portafilter. We have single portafilter and a double portafilter. So for the single portafilter, if you look at it, if you remove the filter basket, this one is called the filter basket, it is normally smaller in size than a double portafilter. So this one is double portafilter, bigger in size than the what? The single. So for the single normally carries 7 to 9 grams of coffee. Single, 7 to 9. Okay? While double will be 14 to 18 grams of coffee. So we have double portafilter and the single portafilter. Then we have knobs, like this one is the steam wand knob. You can use this one. This one is just the steam wand knob. Then we have the brew switch buttons. These ones, brew switch button. Then from the steam wand, there's just the steam wand tip if you want to. Steam wand tip. So how many parts have we written down so far? 11. Yeah, in your exams, we normally ask you to write 10 parts of espresso machine. Okay?